Do you want to learn the art of public speaking and you want to deliver fearlessly with your speeches and with your presentations in front of your audience, listeners, and clients and be able to deliver it flawlessly? Now, here is an incredible opportunity, my friends. I, Dr. Gopika Kumar, with 20 plus years of experience in the communication and the coaching industry, I'm coming with a physical public speaking event experience on the 28th of October at Radisson Plaza, New Delhi. This is going to be a full day immersive experience between 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. with a lot of games, challenging activities, and a lot more, where you'll be able to get all the answers and the techniques that you need to apply in black and white so that you're able to create your status as a master speaker. So what are you waiting for? We have a limited capacity. Go ahead and register your seats right away. All the refreshments, lunch, tea, and coffee is going to be taken care by us. I'm just waiting to see you there live. See you soon.